Welcome to part 3 of What is Chalk Couture. I'm going to show you how to clean the transfer that we chalked with in part 2. So I have a dish of cool water. I'm going to put my transfer in there. Now you can let it get a couple seconds head start. I usually just go over the transfer. I'm doing this on both sides just to get the majority of the chalk paste off of it, rinsed off good. Then I'm going to put it down on my surface. Now you're going to want to work on a surface that the transfer is not going to stick to too badly. And I take just a Clorox wipe and I just wipe both sides so that I can visually see the chalk paste is off. Then I'm going to stick it sticky side up on a cookie cooling rack or a towel to air dry for about 10 minutes.